So what's up guys, Faria, and welcome to Shades of Tech. In this video we'll share with you my experience with this wonderful program Paragon that removes all the hard drive compatibility barriers and brings NTFS hard drives on macOS. But to make you fully understand why I choose this program, I want to share with you some background story. If you are a Mac user, sooner or later you probably crashed against the Apple compatibility wall with other systems. As long as you use all the Apple devices together combined in the Apple ecosystem, you are safe and sound. But as soon as you try to combine them with other systems like Windows or even with the TV OS, the nightmares begin. I was well aware that Apple had different formatting system for their hard drives from Windows from the beginning of my Mac experience, but I never had any issues or problems, and I even thought that the new formatting from Apple, the macOS Extended Journal, was a really good improvement from my previous Windows FAT32 formatting system that had really constraining limits on the file size of the files that you could transfer on your hard drives. A few months ago I decided to start a process of upgrading the quality of my channel from Full HD 1080p to 4K. So this included camera upgrades, also a new 4K TV and SSDs and so on. And I immediately started to have the stressing need to transfer really large files from my Mac to my TV to enjoy in full 4K glory all my clips recorded with my new Panasonic G7 and to enjoy really beautiful and sharp and colorful 4K HDR movies. I believe that this is a problem that probably most of you have right now or will probably have in the next year when you will start to approach to 4K. So this is what happened. I copied my 4K clips from my Mac to my external hard drive formatted in macOS Extended Journal, and no problem. Then I hooked up to my new LG OLED 4K TV, and here started the problems because the TV couldn't recognize the hard drive. So I thought, let's convert my external hard drive from macOS Extended Journal to NTFS, and I won't have any problem with the file size. This seemed a really good plan, but it wasn't. It worked really well on my TV, but then I connected it to my Mac. And again I had some issues because my Mac could see it but couldn't write or copy any of that. Then I remembered that macOS can read NTFS, but can't write on it. And I felt so stupid because we are in 2018, why there are those not compatibility between parallel systems. To be clear, there is a beta going on that lets you write NTFS on macOS, but being a beta, right now it's quite unreliable and it's too much complicated in my opinion. So I wouldn't use it, but will probably be implemented in the next updates of macOS. So I made some research on the web and I discovered that the best program for NTFS on macOS, the simplest and the most user-friendly one, and especially the most reliable, was Paragon from Paragon Software. So I contacted them, I told you my story, and they were so kind to let me test this program for a few months, and I must say that my experience was really sublime. The best feature of this program is that it is so simple, so well done, so integrated in the macOS, that it's like if your Mac immediately started to read and write NTFS hard drives. It was so natural that I honestly forgot to have this program installed, and I believe that this is a really good bonus. It's really seamless and easy to use, and it doesn't need any active actions from the user. It just works, as Steve Jobs used to say. Now I just have to connect my hard drive formatted in NTFS to my Mac, just drag and drop the files, and it works. Then move it to my television, connect it and enjoy full resolution 4K HDR, movies and clips. It's really nice and easy. I even don't have any constraints on the file size because NTFS is made for this precise purpose. Of course, the interface is great, so minimal and beautiful. I sincerely believe that Apple should take some inspiration with the dark, transparent look for its dark mode on the new macOS Mojave, because it's really good. There is also a lot of control on your devices. The look is really clean, simple and minimal, and really user-friendly. You can have all the controls that you have on the standard Mac application, the Dr. Disk application. It's brought to all the NTFS hard drives. I'm currently testing it on macOS High Sierra, but there is a beta going on for macOS Mojave. And let's go to the best part. There is a free version, a trial version that lets you test this program to see if it meets your needs. And I can assure you that if you try it for a few days, you will be just impressed as I am right now. At the beginning I was quite skeptical about that, but now I have really changed my mind, so I think you will probably do it too. And the best news is the price. For a program that solves some really constrained limits on the file size of the file you can transfer and the compatibility between NTFS and macOS, the price is really cheap. It's less than $20, and as I said, there is also a free trial, so be sure to check it out. I'll leave all the links in the description. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching me so far. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and let me know your experience with this wonderful program. And as always, stay tuned on Shades of Tech. Ciao!